Now that you have learned how to create a Java class, how to compile and run it, what about we move on and talk just a little bit more about naming rules and standards in Java? All the Java components, such as classes, variables, and methods, need names. In Java, these names are called identifiers. And there are rules for what constitutes a legal Java identifier. Your code will not compile if you break these rules. Instead, JVM will send you an error message. But don't worry. These rules are simpler than you think. You will remember these rules very easily. There are some special words that you cannot use as names in a Java program. They are already reserved for the syntax of the Java programming language. We call them Java keywords. If you visit Oracle's official Java documentations, you will see around 50 keywords there. Don't try to remember them now. With your practice, with your experiences, you will gradually remember them all. We have already used some of them, like class, public, static, and void. So, in simple terms, keywords cannot be used as identifiers. There are two other things to remember when choosing an identifier. You cannot start a name with a digit, but digits can be used after the first character. As an example, 3 marks is illegal. But all these names are legal. Here is the final rule. The only symbols you can use are the underscore and $sign. You can use these names without having error messages. But if you use these names with illegal symbols, your code will not compile. Alright. So, good job. You now learned about how to name components of your Java program legally, without breaking Java coding rules. Just a little bit more about naming to learn. So, in our next video, let's move on to naming conventions.